We spend a lot of money in saloon for hair and facial spa, but उसके लिए हमें टाइम निकालना पड़ता है. So hello friends, once again welcome to my channel Zero Charge. मेरा नाम है अंकित and in today's video we'll unbox a facial and hair steamer जिससे आप घर बैठे सलून जैसे रिजल्ट्स पा सकते हैं. जिस प्रोडक्ट की मैं बात कर रहा हूं वो है ये अगारो का फेशियल प्राइमर स्टीमर फॉर योर फेस एंड हेयर. सो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं. मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा. Alright, so inside the box we get one user manual, one warranty card. This comes with 1 year of standard warranty, multiple spa headbands, few aroma pads, one pimple popping toolkit, one water tank cleaning brush, one spray arm for the steamer, and finally the main unit which is Agaro Facial Steamer. So let's first attach this spray arm and then we will talk in detail. So simply I will insert it and then turn it and it will be locked. So this is how the complete product looks like. I believe it is very portable for home use. On the top side there is 360-degree rotating nozzle, so you can move it in any direction as per your requirement. Also this extra long spray head helps maintain safe distance from the steamer. You can enjoy aromatic touch by adding essential oil on this aroma pads and then placing them here. Once it is placed, you can close this lid. Do not add essential oil into the water tank as it might damage the steamer. On the outside there are two protective flaps so that you don't touch the tank accidentally when water is boiling. This is the nozzle area from where the steam is delivered. On the back side there is one lid from where you can fill the water. This is the water tank and you can see the max level of water indicator. This steamer is very power efficient and consumes only 350 watts of power. On the bottom you get two buttons, one is for steam and one is for ozone. With steam button you can get normal vapors. However, with UV ozone function, the vapor quantity increases, providing a deeper cleansing, improved blood circulation and detoxification. It also helps in acne treatment, skin relaxation and rejuvenation. So now I will open this lid, remove the rubber cap and then add water. Please make sure you only use purified or distilled water. Once the water is added, install the rubber seal back and then close the lid. So let me plug and turn on this steamer. Now I will press the steam button first. So hot mist should be ready in minutes. Let me turn on the ozone function for faster steaming. And you can see that the blue ozone light is on. You can see that water has started to boil and super fine mist is coming out. Alright, so let's start with the testing and देखते हैं ये कैसा perform करता है. Alright, so let's start with the hair steaming. Now let me turn it on. This steamer comes with ultrasonic atomizer that generates 1 to 5 micron ultrafine mist, allowing for quick and easy absorption by your hair or skin. It helps to reduce itchiness and prevents dandruff while moisturizing and hydrating your hair. It also improves the absorption of conditioner and other treatments, making them more effective and delivering better results. It can also be used to treat brittle and damaged hair. Alright, so spa treatment for the hair is completed now. You can also use this steamer during cold and if you suffer from sinus, as it helps relieve sinus pressure. Alright, so now let me start with the facial steaming. First I will wear the headband. With this steamer you can treat skin problems like dry skin, oily skin, acne, pigmentation, flabby skin and large pores. It cleanses your facial pores and hydrates your skin, leaving it fresh, smooth, soft and radiant. The ultrafine mist opens and unclogs your pore, softening your skin to help remove dead skin, dirt, oil and makeup. Since after facial steamer my skin is very soft, it is very easy to remove the blackheads. So now with the help of pimple popping toolkit I can remove my blackheads. As per brand, this facial steamer provides 10 times more effective skincare as compared to ordinary steamer, and this is possible due to ionic vaporization technology. Not just that, it also relaxes and soothes your tired eyes. So now enjoy saloon-like facial and hair spa at home. After every use, detach the spray arm and pour out the residual water. You can also use the provided brush for cleaning the water tank. After using for a long time, if the product develops scalding, add a tablespoon of vinegar to the water tank. Shake it for a few times and then pour out the water. My god, this product is fantastic and it is super easy to use and maintain. I must say and emphasize this again that I am super impressed with this product. This is a one-time expense and you can enjoy spa at home daily without any hassle. आई होप आप लोग को आज का वीडियो अगारो का फेशियल एंड हेयर स्टीमर जो है वो पसंद आया होगा। अगर पसंद आया होगा, लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं, आप वहां से परचेज कर सकते हैं। With that note, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel and keep watching Zero Charge. Jai Hind.